Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. This video will be a little different. So many people have asked me lately, can you start with $100 account? And yes, I will do that. That is for Alpha One iBot. I will now start with a fresh, new $100 account, and I will not even use the promo code. You should actually. But before we do that, if you want to run this Alpha One iBot, use the link up there right now. Minimum deposit is $100, okay? And below you find a promo code where you get 100% on your first deposit. I will not use that one, but I will use just a fresh $100, so it'll be even more real, okay? If you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, put them below the video. Also check out my new Forex free Forex Telegram group that you also can join. Link below the video for that also. So let's start up Alpha One iBot. And there we have it, $13 in a matter of 7 minutes. So there you see, we can start with $100. We are going to build it up together so you can follow my journey on this. If you want to do the same like me, link below the video. And you, compare with me, use the promo code so you get more than $100 when you start, because you get 100% on your first deposit. Okay, so with that, have an amazing day.